Hello and welcome all to this very first demo of data science. In this demo, we will try to understand what is data science and the tools and technologies related to data science. Even we will try to understand in this demo the current impact of data science in various IT domains and what will be the future role of data science in our technology in IT. So without any further delay, let's dive deeper into the data science. So guys, first of all, the question is, what is the data science? So we will try to understand what is a data science. So guys, data science is an intersection of three different things. What are those three different things? One is computer science. Second one is mathematics. So second one is mathematics, and the third one is business intelligence, BI. So computer science, mathematics, and business intelligence, these are the three things, three different domains, three different, you can say, technologies. Math is not a technology, BI is also not a technology, but yes, these three different things are involved in a data science. So the intersection of these three different things is called data science. So if you want to make your career into the data science, then what you have to be very good into these three different things, guys. Okay. So data science is an intersection of computer science, mathematics, as well as business intelligence. Okay. So computer science, definitely you have to have a expertise upon one programming language. The famous one is Python or R. So predominantly right now in market, data scientists are learning and working upon Python language. So Python, as well as you can say algorithms, okay, and different other things related to computer science are definitely helpful and important for becoming data science. Mathematics, yes, the base of data science involves statistics as well as algebra and calculus, integration, derivation. Okay, so matrices, determinant, this kind of things. So guys, yes, definitely data science involves mathematics, business intelligence. Guys, both the things, computer science and mathematics, can be learned over the period, and we can do the task into computer science and mathematics. But one thing which is a business intelligence comes with experience. So it is not a graduate, it is not a like 1 day task or 1 month of task. You have to spend time into the industry, into the projects, then only your BI skills, okay, business intelligence, will be uplifted. So to become a computer science, mathematics expert and business intelligence expert, you have to what, have a patience as well as sheer perseverance. Okay. So guys, this is what our computer science, this is what our data science involves. So let's talk about the definition which is given into the textbook for data science. Okay. So and let's talk about this thing here. So the point here, I can say, the definition of data science. Okay, definition of data science. definition of a data science says by analyzing, okay, analyzing noisy data, okay, noisy data, okay, noisy data, analyzing a noisy data, okay, bringing some bringing knowledge, okay, bringing knowledge or insights to to take actions, what to take actions in business, okay, in business. So by analyzing noisy data, bringing knowledge or insights to take actions in business is called data science, okay. So simply at this point you have to make what you have to have a knowledge to take some proper decisions for your business, okay. So I will write here knowledge, okay, knowledge or what, insights, insights, knowledge or insights. But to get the knowledge or insights, what you have to have, you have to have raw data, noisy data, okay. You have to have a data. So here is a noisy data, okay, noisy and data. I hope you're getting this, guys. Then from noisy data you got some knowledge or insights. Then what, the third step is, once you have the knowledge or proper insights, you will apply them into your business to take an action, okay. So here comes action, okay, action. In this current generation, the current period of IT, guys, data is a currency more valuable than a currency, according to International Monetary Fund, IMF. They say that the world's currencies are what, they are coming down, they're going up, okay, their values are changing according to time. But data in the current generation, you can say current age or in future, data is the only thing which is not going to be, okay, come down. The value of data is going to increase in coming years, and that is never going to come down because that data is more valuable, okay. So data can be like data, the way we maintain our money, okay, we acquire money, we store it. The same way we can what, acquire the data, we store it, we can sell it. Data can be stolen also, okay. So we have to secure our data, preserve our data properly. And that data, because of the data is so important to grow your business, to take proper actions into your institutes, in your organizations, for governments, for private players, okay, for everyone at every point of your life, data is very important. So guys, so data, why do we need a data? To get the knowledge, and once we get the knowledge, we take some actions upon it, okay. So this is all about what is data science, guys, okay. So you may have heard about different like other things related to data science. Like with data science, we do talk about machine learning, we do talk about descriptive analytics, we do talk about advanced analytics. Okay, so what is it? Yes, these things are there. These things are there to analyze, to train your machines, to train your models. Yes, we do train our models with the help of this data science. We are getting these insights. Like how are we getting it? So here the process, okay, here the process, the very process is called data science. Data science is a bigger umbrella. Under this umbrella, you do find different another subfields like data engineering is there, data analytics is there, data scientist, okay, data science is also there. So when you go to the industry, you definitely find people, okay, who call themselves data, what, data engineers. Their work is to acquire data. We are always talking about data, but where is the data? Yes, this guy is, okay, this guy called data engineer will collect the data. What will collect the data? Through surveys, through applications, okay, through web scraping, through different means. Okay, this guy can create that, this guy can acquire the data, okay, collect the data. So the very first step is called what? Data gathering, data gathering or data collection. Then next one is what? Data cleaning. So the data which is collected by this data engineers, it might not be in a proper form. Okay, it might have some impurities which we need to remove them. Okay, so the data cleaning is very important. After data cleaning, data arrangement is very important. So we do call data wrangling. Okay, once after data collection, data cleaning, and data wrangling, what process is involved? That is hand over the data, okay, the well arranged, well cleaned data to the data scientist. Okay, this guy is the next one is what? Data scientist. Data scientist, and the responsibility of this data scientist is what? Take the data, analyze the data, study the data, okay, analyze data, and come with the proper logic, okay, math, okay, and apply it upon your data and get, okay, and what? Train the machine. See guys, if the data is small, we as a human can study it and get some insights out of it. But if the data is too big, because organizations are growing, okay, the data is growing and data size is growing, so it's not in our capability to study that huge data. We need machines, we need computers to study that data and what? Help us to get knowledge out of it, to take some actions into our organization. So what? Analyzing data, coming up with lot logic, okay, logic and maths, okay, and next one is after that train machines, okay, train machines. Then what? After training machines, check whether the machines are giving proper results or not, okay, with the real-time data, okay, with real-time data, the proven data, and test data, okay, test machines. Sometimes we do call it model also. After testing these machines, testing these models, what we have to, if they are okay. So there are different ways to test whether, like you can quantify, you can measure its accuracy, okay, with different scores and all. So after testing machines, what can we do? We can deploy them, okay, deploy those machines, okay, deploy those machines, okay. So these are the various responsibilities of a data scientist. Then next guy comes is an analytics engineer, okay. The guy's responsibility is very You can say smaller. So just what? Visualizing the data. Okay, visualize data. Okay, data visualization comes under the data analytics people. Okay, and they will do visualization. So this is what we have done, guys. Let's understand. If you have a data, okay, a data. Let's take example. You're having a showroom, okay, a bike showroom, and you are selling bikes. So one day, what happens? You just want to, like, you just gather the data of your sales and everything, okay, related to your organization, related to your showroom, your employee related data, your sales related data, your advertisement related data, your finance related data, all the data you gathered to get some insights, okay, out of it, knowledge out of it, to enhance your business, to what, get more like sell out of it. So descriptive, what is happening? The question comes here once you collected the data. So what question you might be asking here? Okay, what is happening? Okay, what is happening? So just want to know whether my sales are going up or down, whether am I in a profit or not. Okay, so this simple question, what happened? Am I in a profit or in a loss? Simple. So in this, the answer for this question, okay, we'll be getting from this descriptive analysis. Once the descriptive analysis is completed, then diagnostic. Why? Okay, why it happened? If something like you got a loss, okay, you got a loss, then why did it happen? Why did it happen? Okay, happen. This question will come into your mind. Okay, so you have to what, the analysis for this kind of question, you have to do diagnostic analysis. So guys, the questions and its value varies. Okay, definitely it varies. So that's the reason how, okay, put them into this x and y axis. Okay, so very basic one is a descriptive. The second one, its value is also greater. Okay, so because questions depth is also little greater. Why did it happen? So definitely you have to dig more and you have to get the answer out of it. So why did it happen? Once you got to know, okay, these were the reasons. Okay, on the because of this reason the cell was down. Once you got, okay, predictive, okay, what would be the cells in next quarter? Okay, whatever happened is happened now. What is going to happen? Okay, what is going to happen? So what, okay, what is going to happen next? Okay, next. So it is called predictive. You have to predict. So model will predict. See, buddy, you have been doing this business, okay, since years, and upon your like sales, on the basis of the data you are provided and the whole thing after analyzation, we can say that in next quarter you will be having so and so cell. Okay, for example, you will be having a three-figure cell, okay, four-figure cell, whatever it is. Okay, as per the data, the model will analyze and it will predict it. Okay, okay, you got to know that, okay, what is going to happen next. Okay, but what if you want to mold it, like want to change it, want to do something, want to plan for something? So if, for example, the question is, okay, a model is saying you're going to sell next month or in next quarter 100 bikes. So your question comes, okay, 100 bikes selling is not enough for me, I have to sell 200 bikes. So you'll be asking to the model, what if I want to sell 200 bikes in the next quarter? What I have to do, what should I do? So that is called prescriptive analysis. Okay, so what to what to do next to achieve goal. Okay, so these are the questions we will be having in our mind, and we will be asking question to our data. We'll be getting insights, knowledge out of it, and we will be applying it into our business, into our organization, institutes, and governments everywhere. Okay, to what get more out of it. Okay, so these are the some like in short, I have explained you the different aspects of it. So, guys, what you have to learn? Okay, the roadmap. Definitely, you need a roadmap for for to become a data scientist engineer, isn't it? So let's discuss about this roadmap, guys. Okay, this roadmap. So your roadmap, first you have to learn, okay, ba- Python programming. Okay, Python with with data science. Okay, modules like what? Modules like Pandas, NumPy, Seaborn, Matplotlib, scikit-learn and all. Okay, so these things you have to learn here. Python with the data science modules. Next, what you have to learn? You have to work upon statistics. Statistics. Okay, and other mathematics. Okay, and other math. So if you are good in mathematics, that's good. Then if you are not good, guys, don't have to worry. Okay, we'll be teaching you from very scratch, and you will get all the mathematics which is required for this very course. Okay, so once you complete with the statistics and other mathematics subjects topics, then the next thing is what? Machine learning. Okay, what you have to do? You have to work upon machine learning. So machine learning. Okay, machine learning. Then once the machine learning is completed, here you have to learn different algorithms. Okay, regression algorithms, logistic